Hi students, today we are going to talk about the topic cell division, which is the part of your chapter cell structure and its function, and that is for class 8. So let us understand what this topic means. What is cell division? Cell division is the process in which new cells are formed from pre-existing cells. Or we can say cell division is the process by which a parent cell divides into two or more daughter cells. So what happens that every new cell is formed from the pre-existing cell. So it will be possible only if cell division is taken place. Correct? So that is about cell division. Now let us understand why cell division is needed or what is the importance of the cell division. Students, as you have learned that during growth of your body, the number of cells increases. When your growth of or the size of body grows, the number of cell increases, and it only could be possible with the help of cell division. So for growth of our body, cell division is important. Next is for replacement of old, dead and worn out cells. Every cells, most of the time what happens, they become old, dead or worn out. So these dead and old cells are replaced by the new cells. So that will only happen if cell division is taken place. Then what happens sometimes, because of some internal reason or external reason, some cells get damaged. So that damaged cell also replaced by the new cells. So that is again it will possible with the help of cell division. And the most importantly, for reproduction process, it is very important, because we know that new cells are formed after cell division. So as we know that reproduction is the fusion of male and female gamete, and that is the process through which new organisms are formed, and it will be only possible if cell division is taken place. So that is why it is important, right? Now let us see different types of cell division. There is two types of cell division, mitosis and meiosis. So first let us understand what is mitosis cell division. This is mother cell, and now this mother cell is divide itself into two parts or two daughter cells. That is mitosis cell division. In this cell division, a parent cell divides into two daughter cells. And in this cell division, a full number of chromosomes is carried forward to the daughter cells. So, this mitosis cell division occurs in almost all body cells except reproductive cell. And in this cell division, two daughter cells are formed, right? And the full number of chromosomes is carried forward to the daughter cells. As we know, we have 46 chromosomes, and all 46 chromosomes is carried forward to the daughter cells. Now let us see the next type of cell division, that is meiosis cell division. In meiosis cell division, the mother cells first divide in two daughter cells, and then the two daughter cells divide into four number of daughter cells. So that is meiosis cell division. And in this cell, the number of chromosomes get half. Like if you can see, there is four number of chromosomes in the mother cell, and when the meiosis cell division is taken place, two daughter cells having two chromosomes, and when these two daughter cells reproduce or they divide itself, then only two number of chromosome is carried forward to their new cells. So meiosis is basically the reductional division in which the number of chromosome is reduced. And why do so? Because this meiosis cell division is taken place in reproductive cells. So reproductive cells, if they carry full number of chromosomes, then what happens? 46 plus 46 chromosomes will be there. So to maintain the number of chromosome, which is 46, the meiosis cell division is taken place, and it occurs in only reproductive cell. So half number of chromosome will be carried forward, and four daughter cells are produced during meiosis cell division, right? So once again, what happens during meiosis cell division? 4 new daughter cells are produced, and it only occurs in the reproductive cell, which is called gamete, and half number of chromosomes will be carried forward to the daughter cells. So I hope students you will understand what is cell division. Thank you.